Global Closure Systems. Global Closure Systems is a privately owned French company. It operates from 21 plants globally under various brand names, including Astra Plastique, Bender, Massmould, Obrist, UCP and Zeller Plastik. History. The company was created as a result of the purchase by PI Partners, a French private equity firm, of the closures business previously operated by Crown Holdings, Inc. for $750 million. Packaging giant RPC Group plc is set to significantly extend its global presence after it announced plans to buy Global Closure Systems for €650 million, $714.6. 6. The deal, which is subject to shareholder and regulatory approval, was scheduled to be complete by the end of March.